Boys, we are live, we are live right now. We are live right now. We are live right now. Boys, we are. Alright, y'all, it's time to start today's stream, bro. Let's go.
How did you find a way to run from the city of the sun? You could have stayed, it's only over when the day is done. I never knew you was a runner, yeah. I mistook you for a son. It don't matter what we think when it's all over. 'Cause this is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice and raise your power, yeah. This is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice and raise your power, yeah.
Alright, y'all, boys, man. Alright, y'all, boys, man. Boys, today, boys. So, we're going to be solving some problems on code forces right now. Okay, we're going to be solving code force like easy 800 code forces problems. So, and as you can see at the top right, I have put, as somebody suggested yesterday in chat, I have put the current problem which I am solving in the top right, so you can open up the problem and check it if you want. And every next problem I'm gonna be putting that up there. Okay, so yeah, welcome to the stream, y'all. So that's basically the game plan for today. So let's start right now then. Okay, so the first one we're gonna be doing is this one, Anton in 785A. So I already read the problem statement. We gotta output the total number of faces in all polyhedrons. So basically we get these strings, and on each, depending on what we get, we're gonna increment our answer by that. And that's that one. Okay, I think I'm gonna should I do it like this, or should I? Okay, I'm gonna pop it out like this, and then like that. Okay, then like something like that. Okay. Alright, so we can see both the code and the problem. So first we have n. We're gonna, and then we have s, and we see an s, and then we have ans, which is initially 0. So if s is equal to this is what this is. This is ans plus equal 4. Ans plus equal 4, else if S is this. This is n plus equal 6. Else if S is this. And I'm gonna be checking the chat like in between problems, because when I check chat while I'm trying to solve something, I kind of get distracted and I forget what I was doing. Okay, so we got this one is n supposed to equal 8. Else if s equals to this, is n plus equals 12, and else it's just n plus equal 20, since that's the only option. So we got this, we have q octa dode, and the last one. Okay, let's just run this. So we got these ones. Okay, we don't see out answer. Okay, 42. Okay, and this is should be 28. Okay, but the input didn't show. Okay, 28, and yeah, that should be it. Let's submit this. Submit this. So this is what 70. This is 70 781A. 785, right? Hold on, let me check. Yeah, 785A. A. Okay, that one's done. Okay, next one is code force is checking, which is 1791A. So let me change the problem. 1791A. Okay, there we go. And now, yes, 1791A. We're gonna delete this. Check if it appears in the string code forces. Lowercase. And let's say whatever X, and in code forces should be char if X is equal to C, flag actually false, flag is gonna be equal to true, and break. And if flag cout yes, else cout no. Okay, and that should be it, I think. Okay, no, B, no, C, yes, D, yes, D, yes, E, E, yes, F yes, G no, H no, I no, J no. Okay, this is 178091A. 1791A. Alright, now this next one I think is a little trickier, but or maybe it's not, we'll see. So that's 141, 141A, 141A. Okay. Alright, so this one. Host his guests. Okay, so it's a 2 lines. Guest name, the second guest name, dance. Yo, are you learning Python? What's up, login? Welcome to the stream. Now, I'm using C. I already know Python. I'm using C++ to solve this. How you doing, bro? How are you? Welcome. These are because of the letters in the pocket. Permute this to make them nails on the new Christmas manner was printed up. Because within the last line can be used to write the names. Used to write the names. There will be an extra letters left. Take example, P is missing from the binders and extra letter L. Example, another example, there's an extra letter L. Okay, that's okay. How is P missing? How is P missing in the second one? It's not. But there is an extra L. So types of implementation, sorting and strings. Oh, if we do sort this, I think we can just concatenate this with this, and then we can sort everything. So this is 1, 2, 3. So we concatenate, then we sort, and that's how we check, I think. So we got string S1, S2, S3. String concat to S1 plus S2 sort concat dot begin concat dot end if concat dot size is not equal S3 dot size cout no return. So I'm gonna sort S3 dot begin, S3 dot end for an int x of concat if no, actually we need for int I get 0, I let the concat dot size I must plus if concat of I is not equal history of I cout no return 0. So cout yes. Okay, we get yes. Okay, we get no. I don't know why it does that when I copy. And we get no again. Okay, let's submit. And this is 141A. 141A. Okay, nice guys. We got that one as well. Okay. I mean, I figured out I can just sort them and do this by seeing that the tag will sort things. So yeah, that's how I figured that out. Okay, so that's the ones I had already prepared. So we can refresh here. Okay, let's try this one, creating words. Okay, so let me do 1985A. 1985A. Okay, and be after the swap. Okay. Now, if this case is the first and only line contains two space separated strings. So we got string A and B. Okay. And we have okay, so chart temp 1 is equal to A of 0, chart temp 2 is equal to B of 0, A of 0 equals temp 2, B of 0 equals temp 1. I think that should be it, right? So A, B, that's it. Okay, cat dog. Yes, hot dog. Dot hog. Hot dog. Woo. Oh no. Woo oh wo. Okay. Cat and cat. ZZZ. Okay. This is 1985A. 1985. Okay. Okay, that's what that one. Okay, we did that one. Love story. 1829A. So 1829A, right? 1829A. Okay, so Timur. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10. From a board, help Timur find the number of indices where the string is differs from code forces. You can remember the characters in the string. This time exactly 10. Okay. Lowercase. Okay. CNT. T minus minus. We're gonna have our string s. We're gonna have our answer, which is gonna be just a counter for int I get 0. less than 10 I plus plus if, okay, let's do our s string s1 is code for sys if s of I does not equal s of 1, we're going to say ans plus plus, and then we're going to see out the ans. Okay, so 5 cool for sys okay, I didn't say s of 1 here. Can just copy everything. Okay, no, we can copy everything. Okay, no of I. This is not of 1, this is of I. Okay, again, because we don't see stuff right there. Cool for sys. Okay, gotta for C. Code for sys. IU for sys. For sys code. Okay. Okay, let's submit this. And this is 1829A. 1829A. Okay. Okay. Next one. Short substrings. Okay, oops. Okay. Oh wait, I didn't change the 1367A. This is 1367. This is a string about bit for her. To another from left to right. A substring. Okay. A B B A C. Hmm. Hello, Madhavan. Welcome to the stream. I've been learning C++ for like about 4 years. If we're talking about when I first started, it was like 4 years ago. But I use C++ only for like data structure. I use C++ only for lead code and only for uh, code. I use C++ only for solving DSA. I don't use it for anything else. And how about you? How long have you been learning C++? Or maybe how long have you been learning some other language? So 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. Of length 2. Given a string B, help us guess the string A that Bob came up with. This is a string that Bob made for her. String B, help us guess string that Bob made up with. Came up with. A. Okay, I don't think I need substrings. A B A C A B B A C. The answer help us to guess the string that A Bob came up with. Hi. Hello MD Fahim, how are you doing, man? Hello. Okay, let's see the first test case. A B A C. Okay, the first test case explains the statement. Test case Bob came up with the string A0. String A has length 2, so the string B is equal to the string A. Let's get Bob the string B C D F substring of length 2 of string. Sorry, B C C D D A F. AF. I was a web dev for a year as a freelancer. After that, shifted to IM field and cybersecurity. Wow, that's pretty impressive, Mathavan. Good job, bro. That's pretty impressive. Yo, I'm to going in cybersecurity. Yeah, I think cybersecurity is something that's always gonna be needed. So, are you asking? Are you asking me or are you asking Madhavan? Are you asking me for tips or are you asking Madhavan for tips? No problem, bro. No problem, bro. No problem. Hmm. Oh, substrate are linked. BAC, a BAC. Okay, let's. So they only double. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What the heck? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Huh. Hmm. To work on day to day. I'm a student, man. I am a student. I'm a student just past 12 this year. Okay, man. Okay. Okay, this one I can't figure it out right now. Okay, this one is just strings. Let's try this one. Tropi resides in a straight world. Which consists of three strings. Each string is concatenated to modern, which is ancient the modern. So USA, OMG, ICL, string of lowercase 2094A. First, get the problem statement, make sure you understand it right. If you're not getting the logic, take a pen and paper and just go step by step. Yeah. Okay, let's change this. This is what 2094A. 2094A. I mean, the problem is right now, I haven't been learning DSA for that long consistently, so that's why, you know. Okay, this one, yeah, this one's easier. This one's easier, so we're just gonna have T again. T minus minus 2. Okay, I'm just gonna write them. Oh my god, I can't lie. binary index tree. Believe in yourself. Hey, that's the most important one, bro. You gotta believe in yourself. You gotta believe in yourself. Okay, I don't know about that one. Skibidi Slay Sigma. Skibidi Slay Sigma. I don't know. I don't know about that one. Triple S. God bless America. Fax. Okay. Fax no printer. Okay. Yes, I understand that, but sometimes you have to try hard problems and try to come up with logic. If you can't, then move on. I mean, yeah, you're right. Yeah, you're right. It's not for a. I mean, like I did understand like what the previous one was asking, but I didn't understand how to get the thing. Okay, did I do this one? Oh yeah, yeah. I went over this one. I'm gonna try it now. Mm, hmm. Okay, my problem is I don't know how to find out if a sub if a string is a substring of a string. I don't know how to find out if a string is a substring of a string. Um, okay, let's just get the input first. I went over this given string x. Okay, how is will appear in x as a substring. Change as follows. Okay, so we have s. So this is 0, 3. Wait. And m. String x and s. X and s. This will appear in x as a substring. So this is s, right? Wait. Next substring x and s. X will appear in s. S will appear in x as a substring. So this should be 2. Wait. One. So this should be 2. Yeah, that's 2. Okay, I'm gonna try my best to do this one. Okay. This is brute force. Okay, so we got X and S, string X, S. Okay. The minimum number of operations after which S will appear in X as a substring. What is a case where it's not possible? The fourth one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Guess what? I guess when it exceeds the length of it, and then it's still not. Hmm. Is Abba. 3 is 2. Last one is 5. Operations will change Abba. Applying operations, it will change as follows. Abba 2. Basically add to have Abba and then Abba. Okay. So we're gonna add A, that's gonna be AA. So we're gonna add AA and then AA, and that's 3. 4, and I get 0 and less than x dot size plus plus. Okay, man. Check if string is a substring in C++. There's a function for this. Nested loops using parent switching arrays. Built-in library functions. Using nested loops. So contains. Okay, so we can use this contains one. Okay, if x dot contains s, minimum number of operation after which s will appear in x as a substring. So we're gonna int operations, cout operations, and line and break. Okay, otherwise we're gonna say dot size. We're gonna say and have I get 0 and less than, no, j get 0, j less than n, j plus plus, okay, for this we're gonna okay, we're gonna do x plus equals x. We're gonna say n times equals 2. Okay, then operate, wait, no, right here, operations plus plus. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, so only one. A. Okay, we get 2 though. Should have gotten 3. Okay, I think it should be maybe up here. One, two, three, four, 5. Okay, we get 3. The second one should be 1. A fork, force, fork force. We get 2 though, not 1. 2, not 1. Okay, which is going to become a out x. The heck? Okay, what happened? What happened? Okay, what in the heck? What happened with x? What the? Time equals 2 or is it what? Time equals 2. So the first one is alpha, then the second one is a baba. Mm, 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 mm. Hmm. The plan operations will change as follows. Okay, what if I remove this? Okay. Wait. No, this is not gonna work, right? Hmm. I mean, guys, we're almost done with today's stream because we're at we've already been streaming for 1 hour. So okay, I mean, So we solved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 problems. Dang. So I solved 6 problems during this stream, which is crazy. Like, when was this one? Oh yeah, I think this one was the trickiest one. I think this one was the trickiest one, but when I saw the tags, I mean, I was when I saw sorting in the tags, I basically instantly came up with the solution. So, so guys, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you so much to Madhavan, MD Fahim. Shout out Madhavan. Shout out MD Fahim. Shout out to Login for joining. And shout out everyone who joined. And thank you so much. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.